Conversation between two friends about Happy New Year 2024. Let's start today's class with you. I'm Towhid. How are you, dear?
I'm fine. And you, Towhid?
I'm also well. Where are you going?
I'm going to market.
Well, you know what? Today?
I remember that today is the first day of the new year.
Yes, dear friend. Happy New Year 2024.
Happy New Year.
Roni and Towhid talk about what they will do for New Year.
I can't wait for the Christmas and New Year holiday.
I know. What are you planning to do this year?
For Christmas, I will stay with my parents. Then for New Year, I will visit a friend who lives in Edinburgh.
That will be great. I've always wanted to celebrate the New Year in Scotland.
They call it Hogmanay in Scotland, and it should be great fun.
Will you go to a party?
We will go to Prince's Street. It is the main road in the city center. They have a massive party.
What about all the cars on the road?
There isn't any space for cars. Anyway, the road is closed so all the people fill the street from side to side.
What will you do at the party?
Just have fun, go into some pubs for some drinks, and look at all the entertainment.
It sounds like good fun.
Yes, it will be. Then the best bit is singing Auld Lang Syne at the stroke of midnight.
Conversation. Towhid and Tausif talk about the New Year in Bangladesh. Do you like to celebrate the New Year in Bangladesh?
Yes, we like to celebrate both of the New Years.
What do you mean?
We celebrate the New Year twice in Bangladesh.
Wow, why do you do that?
The first time is for the 1st of January, like in lots of other places in the world. We have public holidays and go to visit our families.
Okay, that is like in the UK.
Then the second one is in April and is the old traditional New Year.
Isn't April when you have a big water festival in Bangladesh?
Yes, they're the same thing. It is called Songkran and is also known as a water festival.
I have seen pictures of that. It looks like a lot of fun. Yes, it is a bigger holiday than the 1st of January. Everyone goes to their hometowns and meet their friends for big water fights for 2 or 3 days. That sounds as if it is a lot of fun.
Yes, it defiantly is.
Conversation between two friends. Exciting New Year party 2024. Hi Roy, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good too. So, tell me why you want to see me on such short notice.
Okay, this is going to be huge. I am going to throw my grand party once again to celebrate New Year.
Oh, my God, that's so great. I mean, this is one of the things that I miss the most during a pandemic.
I know, right? Honestly, it's been ages since all of us had fun together.
Don't tell me. I was the one that contacted you virtually every day throughout the holidays to whine about how much I miss our friends and your parents.
Ah, yes, I recall your long, emotional, and somewhat bugging phone calls.
Don't be mean, it's just that I miss you guys.
Luke, I'm just kidding. Even I miss all of you guys. As you can see, the wait is over, so gather your friends. We're going to have a huge New Year's Eve celebration this year.
Honestly, I can't tell you how excited I am.
Luke, calm your horses, because I have a list of chores for you too. I mean, you need to help me with arranging all this stuff. I can't do it all alone.
Sure, dude. I can buy gifts, and I can even arrange some of the most amazing drinks and cocktails in town.
That's my man. That would be a great help, and no one can bring better drinks than you anyway.
Yes, that's right.
Also, I want you to send some invitations to our college friends too, because this year it's going to be huge.
Sure, man. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I can't think of anything right now. If something comes to mind later, I'll text you.
Sure. Also, don't invite Alicia. She's a party pooper and a heavy drinker.
What are you saying?
I was having a great time until you made me her chaperone and made me drop her off at her place. Remember? New Year of 2023.
Don't blame me. I trust you the most. Anyway, I promise that this time you are going to have a lot of fun without any interruptions.
That's a relief. I can't wait for New Year's Eve.
Okay, so let's get to work. This party is going to be awesome.
Indeed. So, I'll see you in today's All the Gifts.
Don't forget the drinks, and please send invitations on time.
Send the invitations to me, and I'll forward them on. Also, I'll be there around 3 p.m. on the 31st with all of the drinks and cocktails. Is that good with you?
Sure, see you then, buddy.
Choose the best option AD in the following 5 questions to fill in the blanks in the New Year conversation given above. 5 questions will be asked, and the time for each question will be 5 seconds. Let's start. 1. Which option is the best to fill in the first blank? A. Spend it with people from work. B. Spend it with my parents. C. Spend it alone. D. Spend it helping. Do you comment? 2. Which option is the best to fill in the second blank? A. How do you celebrate? B. How do you manage? C. How do you not have a fight? D. How do you plan what to do? Do you comment? 3. Which option is the best to fill in the third blank? A. We might play some games. B. We might go to an amusement park. C. We might work in a shop. D. We might all leave. Do you comment? 4. Which option is the best to fill in the fourth blank? A. Do you invite other people to join you? B. Do you want to have an adventure? C. Do you like to play sport at the party? D. Do you do the same thing each year? Do you comment? 5. Which option is the best to fill in the fifth blank? A. So we get very bored. B. But we are happy to spend time with each other. C. But we have no other choice. D. So we always want other people to come. Do you comment?